everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove CapCut watermark for free. No tricks, no extra app. This is super easy and of course is also quick to do. So let's dive into the video. You need to go to your CapCut app. If you don't have CapCut, please try as much as possible to get your CapCut. And you know that CapCut, everything about CapCut is now starting to become pro. So I guess that is the reason why they are placing their watermark. Like if you can see above here, you see the watermark that shows CapCut. Hi everyone. So in this particular thing, what you have to do is after your videos, after editing your videos and all that. So I'm going to be using this as an example. After editing your videos, all you have to do is come to this place where it wrote 1080p. So all you have to do is tap on it. So it's going to take you to where you see your resolution, you see your frame rate, you see optical flow. No, you don't need that. So all you have to do is play this place where it shows watermark. You tap on it. So once you tap on it, you see where it shows CapCut watermark, then you're going to see visible and hidden. So this is also free. All you have to do is just tap on the hidden. Okay, so once you tap on the hidden, you go back, then you go back and tap on export. So you will do this after you might have finished. Okay, so I'm going to tap on export. So you are going to do this after you might have finished editing your videos and all that. So if I'm to play this video, you won't see the watermark. In today's video, there's no watermark here. It is not showing. So guys, this is all about this particular video. So if you are still watching me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell, and of course don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And keep your questions, ask your questions on the comment section. I am going to reply each and every one of you once I get your questions. And please keep the community going. Love you.